Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can make a healthiest Haleem mix ever and you can keep it up to a year. I'm sure this mix will help you throughout the year because whenever you want you can make it. You just don't need to start from the beginning. And also I have a Haleem mix masala recipe I will put in the description below. For the mix, I am going to take clean red, yellow and black lentils half cup and gram lentils half cup, and all of them are very clean and fine, so make sure your lentils are clean. And after that I will grind them in a grinder and mix them well. Normally people use rice and wheat, but as I said, this is a healthy version of Haleem, so I'm not using rice or wheat. So this is more healthier because if I eat rice and wheat, it will be too much carbs in a Haleem. So I'm just trying to reduce carbohydrate. So this is the healthiest version of Haleem mix. Sterilize your glass jar where you want to keep this mixture. You can easily keep it up to a year and make sure it's an airtight container. I hope this will help you in future. If it does, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.